Hey everyone, Camian Larson, Home Design and Renovation Coach here in beautiful Oregon City, Oregon. I'm here today to talk to you about something that is near and dear to my heart. How our homes make us feel. So, how does your home make you feel? Does it make you feel stressed out, rejuvenated, energized, relaxed? What does your home evoke? And maybe it's not the same in every space. Maybe your kitchen feels some way, your master closet, I don't know, feels another way. Maybe your bathroom, laundry room, whatever it might be. But do you feel like that space is really serving its purpose for you? Whether it's the materials, the layout, how it functions, anything like that. I want your spaces to be a reflection of you and how they can serve you best, right? And that doesn't always mean that we need to save a lot or we need to spend a lot of money or invest a lot of time in it. It doesn't even mean that we have to buy stuff or renovate it, but it does mean that we need to look at what we have, analyze it, look within ourselves. It means self-awareness. So a lot of the work that I do is asking self-awareness questions. So tell me how you use this space. Tell me how you'd like to use this space. Is it going to be the same now as it's going to be in the future? Those are the types of things. Is someone sharing the space with you? So what we want to do is we want to analyze all of that, come up with the core needs for the space, and then how can we best accommodate that? How can we support that? How can we make that flourish? Whatever it might be. And that could be from space planning and rearranging your furniture. It could be from purging and making it more simple and taking things out of it. It could be that we have to remodel it, maybe move some things around, open up walls. It could be any number of things. Maybe it's just aesthetic updates that feel lousy. Or maybe you just have to have a beautiful piece of art hanging next to you that inspires you. I don't know, but each space is individual, and I'd love to hear how your homes suit you and what you'd like to change.